MacVoices is sponsored by Smile, the makers of world-class software like PDF Pen. Find out about all their great utilities at smilesoftware.com. Hi, I'm Chuck Joyner. MacVoices is at CES Unveiled in Las Vegas. I'm in the This Is Engineering booth talking to DS about Shift, a new way to control your drone, a very intuitive way. DS, it's good to see you.
Oh, very nice to see you, Chuck. Yeah.
So tell me about this. This looks like it's so intuitive that I could pick it up and fly my drone right now.
Yeah, right, exactly. So we designed this one because so many people the drone owners is having problems with get used to the drone control. So we wanted to make it much more intuitive and anyone can control easily. So we come up with the one-hand control Shift drone controller.
Okay, so explain how it works, I guess, because what you're doing here is you're holding this small metal cylinder, and then you've got something wrapped around your thumb. Is that an electronic piece, or is it a sensor, or what?
It's a sensor inside. Okay. So we are using magnets inside. So we are having our own patent, which is named as near-field microsensing technology. And so by using that, we are actually can control the drone very intuitively.
Okay.
Yeah.
And that's it.
Yeah.
Now,
and with this, actually, you can. Another thing is it's very compatible with the other existing drones. So by any drones has receiving outlets, you can simply plug in the receiver and then pair with our Shift controller. Then you can control any drones very easily.
So DJI,
Parrot or whatever.
Yeah, and any of those.
Yeah, any other those like DJI, Parrot, the consumer drones, and also other industry like drones. Anything has the receiving outlets, then yeah, it works. Right.
Now I have to ask you, I'm flying my drone with this. What happens if I sneeze? What happens if I get distracted and my thumb, goes crazy?
Yeah.
The drone goes crazy too?
No. If it goes if it goes off, right, then it goes to the resting mode, which means the drone will just hover itself. Ah. Yeah.
Okay. So that's a nice little safety feature built in.
Exactly.
Now, obviously, this is connected to something. What am I connecting to? A smartphone?
Now this is a simulation. So we are connecting to our computer. Ah. That's why you have it.
Okay.
But then this charging part is for USB-C charger. Mm-hmm. So you can charge your controller much faster.
But I'm not connecting this to a smartphone or anything. This is just this to the drone. Is it?
Exactly.
Okay. Very nice. Yeah. Is this in production yet?
Not yet, but we are officially launching in March. Yeah, so we are looking for other distributors or anyone who wants to be partnered with us. Yeah.
And what kind of pricing do you expect on this? I realize if it's not in production yet, you're not sure.
Yeah, it's not 100% like solid yet, but then we are expecting the drone control itself around 300, 400-ish. Yeah.
Well, in watching the demos and all, it looks very intuitive. I mean, that's kind of the thing that appeals to me about it, is that it is so intuitive.
Yeah. Because
right now you're trying to do double joysticks or, controls on your phone, and it's fine, but there's got to be a better way. This looks like it is it.
Yeah, it is. And because you can use one hand only. If you want to shoot the video, then you can use two hands together. So like those existing drones, two people has to be inside. One people has to control the drone, the other one has to control the video. But then now with the Shift controller, you can actually, just one person can control both, video and drone.
Yeah. Very nice. The website where folks can go to learn more.
Yeah, so if they come to www.thisiseng.com, then they'll find everything about us.
DS, thank you so much for the time. Very cool product.
Yeah, thanks for your time, Chuck. Yeah.
Folks, I'll have more from CES Unveiled in Las Vegas. I'm Chuck Joyner. This is MacVoices. Visit MacVoices.com for show notes and to connect with Chuck on social media. Get involved in our MacVoices Facebook group and get more out of your Apple Tech with MacVoices magazine, free on Flipboard. And if you find value in it all, consider supporting us at patreon.com/MacVoices and join these folks who help keep MacVoices coming to you. Advertising handled by Backbeat Media at backbeatmedia.com. Bandwidth provided by CashFly at cashfly.com.